The web has always been traditionally very document-centric.
So people have always been asking for better layouts.
Most of the conversations ended up the same way. They complaining about all the dirty hacks they had to do.
The hacks that we were employing weren't as powerful as the old methods of just put it all on a big old table element. That was popular for a reason. It let you do powerful, complex layouts. It was just the worst thing to maintain and the worst thing for semantics.
I wanted to see some of the technologies that I had worked with previously from the Windows Presentation Foundation, Stack Panel, Wrap Panel, and Grid Layout. The Flexbox spec filled that Stack Panel and Wrap Panel gap. So we were left with, how do we fill the gap for Grid? We're going to need to make a new spec, and we're going to need to build it. And so that's what we did.
We wanted Grid to be more than what the developer world thought they needed. What they thought they needed was the things that they could do already.
And so we've been working on it since then for 5 years or so actively now.
To make CSS what it was meant to be, which was to be a flexible, robust, powerful, and understandable system for doing layout.
It actually provides web authors with the capability of doing web application layout in a sane, practical manner without extra markup like tables, without hacks like floats, without all the necessary JavaScript overhead that you need with absolute position.
It allows you to do style development in a sort of different way. You create a template, you create your grid first, you put content into that.
It lets us do amazing page layouts that were previously only really possible to do with table-based stuff.
After reading the spec for the first time, I thought, oh wow, this really has the potential to change everything.
As soon as I saw that, I was like, this is something that we really need, is this ability to properly lay things out. So I started sort of digging into it and building some kind of examples to show other people. And I was absolutely determined that grid layout wasn't going to disappear. It was going to be something that other people found out about and got excited about.
The thing that changed it from a dream to reality here was getting an implementer deeply interested in it, which in this case was Microsoft first leading with its version of the grid spec.
It takes both the users who are demanding the feature as well as the browser developers who are dedicating their resources to go and build this.
The developer feedback has been remarkable with all the major browser vendors implementing it and shipping it in 2017. It's not just something we're talking about, they can go use it.
We should have maybe pushed more. I think the grid is something we should have had probably from very early on, maybe from the start of CSS already.